We all know that indoor plants uplift our moods and clean our air, but they also add natural beauty to our homes. And we can enhance these indoor jungle vibes with beautiful pots and containers. Whether you prefer classic elegance or quirky surprises, indoor planters can make a statement and add pizzazz to any room. Size matters when choosing a container for your plant, as the right container size is crucial for both looks and plant growth. If your leafy friend has outgrown its home, repot it into a container 2 sizes bigger than its current home. Positioning is important. Choose a spot that has the right light conditions, away from jobs and air cons, before placing your newly potted planter in position. Good drainage is crucial to avoid root rot, so make sure that if you give your plant a permanent new home, the container has drainage holes, and use a good quality potting soil to keep your plants happy and healthy. Now, if you don't want to plant your leafy friends into a permanent container, pot covers are a great way to jazz them up, and they also help with balancing the plant too. With a variety of options, when choosing a pot cover, choose something that will bring you joy. From kitchens to bathrooms, different color themes will tie rooms together. Pop a phalaenopsis in a grey or black pot cover to add elegance to most interiors. Brighten up a room with a bromeliad in a bolder colored pot cover, or add a bit of bling with a spathiphyllum in a metallic pot cover. Choose a woven basket for your bamboo palm for a more natural, chic look, or break the boundaries and have some fun with your air plants in figurine pot covers. Bird's nest ferns do great as kokodamas, adding a zen feeling to interiors. Pot covers are easy to use. Simply pop the plant still in its black plastic pot into an appropriately sized pot cover. And if you get bored of the plant and pot combination, swap them out and rotate your plants throughout your rooms. Pot covers have no drainage holes, so don't plant directly into them. Remove the plant from its pot cover when watering or feeding and allow to drain before popping them back in. Whatever you choose, be it container or pot cover, there's a classic or quirky option to make your plant baby and its plant parent happy.